Let's have a look at example 7. This is on page 191. Now there seems to be an error here. Now this is the question, calculate 3 on 4 plus 2 on 3 divided by 5 on 6. So we're going to remember the order of operations. Okay, we need to do division and multiplication before we do addition and subtraction. So that's why they've approached it like this. Don't forget the blue writing over here, the black writing in the blue boxes. So do the division first. Okay, that's part of our PED mass. Multiply 2 on 3 by the reciprocal of 5 on 6. We just saw that in example 6. So where it says plus 2 on 3, if it's divided by 5 on 6, we can change the division sign to multiplication if we flip this to 6 on 5. Okay, we just saw that. Simplify the fraction. Okay, to do this, we could just do 2 times 6 is 12 and 3 times 5 is 15. But just as we saw in the previous example, simplify first and then we don't have to multiply big numbers, though these aren't that big. Now the problem is there's an error here. Okay, let's have a look at it. If we do 3 into 3 is once and 3 into 6 is twice, then we'll get rid of that. 2 on 5, that's got rid of that. And let's put in our new one. And the new one is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 5 is 5. So that really should be 4 on 5. Plus 4 on 5. Okay, so they noticed that. So it's okay from here. It's the same, right? 3 on 4 plus 4 on 5. Now we have to add these two fractions together. They've got a different denominator, so to add using a common denominator, we have to look at the lowest common multiple, and that's 20. Okay? How did we get from the 4 to the 20? We multiplied by 5. So if we multiply the bottom by 5, we multiply the top by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. How did we go from 5 to 20? We multiplied the bottom by 4, so we have to multiply the top by 4, and it's 16 on 20. Now we can just add the top numbers. And that's 15 and 16 is 31. 31 on 20. And there's a bit of a mess here. So let's have a look at that, fix that. Okay. We'll take that away and we'll do this ourselves. Okay, so 31 on 20. We're going to change that to a mixed fraction. You divide 31 by 20, it goes 1 time. And how many remain is 11 on 20. So the answer is 1 and 11/20ths.